Hello kids, today we learn about birds. Bird has two wings. Bird can fly with the help of wings. Bird lives in the nest. They lay eggs. Look at the picture. This is a kingfisher. It has large head. It has a long and sharp dagger-like beak. Kingfisher has blue feathers. Look at the picture. This is a peacock. It is a beautiful bird. Peacock is our national bird of India. Peacock can dance and fly. Look at the picture. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color. Look at the picture. This is an owl. It stays awake at night. Look at the picture. This is an ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Look at the picture. This is a macaw. Macaw is a colorful bird. Look at the picture. These are sparrows. Sparrow has brown feathers. Look at the picture. This is a crow. Crow has black feathers. Look at the picture. This is a flamingo. Flamingo has beautiful pink feathers. Flamingo stands on one leg. Look at the picture. This is a duck. Duck can swim. Look at the picture. This is a pelican. Pelican can swim. Look at the picture. This is a penguin. We can see penguins in the north and south poles. Thank you. Please follow our YouTube channel for more videos.